At the window, it's called. Standing at the window with head bent from the 5th floor of a tenement, I become pensive. A memory rose, and the sidewalk seemed so close, so close. The gentle gray eyes of the sidewalk knew me, and like a warm bed, like dear arms, she drew me. The sidewalk was so close, so close. And the memory of my warm childhood bed arose. I suddenly craved sleep like one possessed. Do I dare hope this day will bring me rest? I bent still further, further, further into my rest. So yearned for, like a bird I flew. Now, this has another resonance because my Aunt Evie committed suicide by jumping out a window. She was really heartbroken by the divorce of her husband. And I know Elizabeth and so on really, tried to, spend time with her and so on, and it was very difficult. I remember Nikki saying she's just determined to kill herself or determined to die,